Is the Reliance Nippon Life immediate annuity plan your ticket to a stress-free retirement, or does it lock you into limited choices too soon? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. This is a non-linked, non-participating annuity plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: you can make a one-time payment to start the policy, you can receive a guaranteed income for life, and you can also pick from 3 different annuity payout options as per your financial needs, and you also get to choose how often you want to receive payments, which is monthly, quarterly, half yearly or annually. So as I have already mentioned, there are 3 annuity options, which are life annuity with return of purchase price, and life annuity guaranteed for 5, 10 or 15 years and payable for life thereafter. And there are benefits like death benefit, survival benefit and maturity benefit, which all differs based on the annuity option you have opted for. So if you want to know more about these aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer the policy brochure. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. So let's first start with the advantages. So you get to enjoy a convenient one-time payment for lifelong benefits, and you also get to receive a guaranteed income stream throughout your life, and you can choose a payment frequency that best suits your financial needs, and there are no medical examinations required for enrollment. So these are some of the advantages. Disadvantages are this plan does not offer any loan facility, and there is joint life coverage and additional riders which are not available in this policy, and once selected, the annuity option cannot be changed, and your retirement corpus is locked in with no option to surrender this policy. The income is also fixed, it is not adjusted for inflation. The annuity rate is determined at the start and remains unchanged throughout the policy, and the annuity payments you receive are also taxed as per your applicable income tax slab. So these are also some of the drawbacks that you need to pay attention to and see whether it's worth investing or not. So now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where relying solely on the promise of regular guaranteed income shouldn't be the only reason to choose this plan. So to truly assess whether it fits your long-term financial goals or not, it is important to evaluate the internal rate of return, IRR, of this policy. That's why we are going to conduct an internal rate of return analysis on this policy based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. For example scenario, let us assume that a 60-year-old male has invested a lump sum of 25 lakhs in the life annuity with return of purchase price option, opting for annual payouts. So he receives an annuity of 1,40,000 rupees, 275 rupees per year. Assuming a life expectancy of 85 years, a nominee will receive the purchase price of 25 lakhs upon his passing. So now, based on these cash flows, the IRR works out approximately 5.50% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So, in contrast, if you compare with a bank fixed deposit, it may even offer higher returns compared to this policy, especially for senior citizens who typically receive an additional 50 basis points. More importantly, FDs provide greater liquidity. You can access your corpus if needed, and annuity plans like this, however, lock in your capital with no option to surrender or access your funds. In this annuity option, only the nominee receives the purchase price after the annuitant's death. So this policy lags in both returns and liquidity. So there are other alternative investment options available in the market that offer better yields and inflation adjusted income and flexibility, which you are going to explore in the next section of this video. So in this section, we are going to explore how we can convert our retirement savings into a reliable income stream without compromising on flexibility or control, because retirement planning is highly individualized and a one size fits all approach rarely works. So here in the screen, we have presented you with a few fixed income instrument examples like bank fixed deposit, which gives you an interest rate between 7 to 8%. This is a stable choice for retirees, offering predictable interest income and flexible tenure options. And you can also choose to invest in senior citizen savings scheme, which gives you an interest rate of 8.20%. This is a government backed scheme with high interest rates, ideal for regular income with minimal risk. So RBI floating rate bonds give you a typical interest rate of 8.05%, which is floating. So these bonds provide market linked returns, offering potential upside in a rising rate environment along with semi-annual payouts. However, returns may fluctuate depending on the interest rate trend. So these fixed income options provide you with higher returns, greater liquidity and flexibility because there is no locking of funds. However, what these options do not provide is inflation adjusted income, which is a critical factor in retirement planning. So to counter this, we are going to consider adding equity exposure to your portfolio. A balanced mix of equity and fixed income investments with regular rebalancing can help you preserve capital, beat inflation, and ensure your retirement corpus lasts a lifetime. So let's revisit the yearly example used for the Reliance policy, where a 25 lakh retirement corpus generates an annual income of 1.40 lakhs. Now we are going to explore a more dynamic and growth-oriented approach using the same corpus. The proposed asset allocation is the 60:40 strategy, where 15 lakhs, which is 60% of the retirement corpus, is allocated to equity for long-term growth, and 10 lakhs, which is the 40% of the corpus, is allocated to debt instrument for stability and regular income. So the assumed annual returns are 12% for equity and 6% for debt. Withdrawals start at 1.40 lakhs in the first year and increase by 6% every 5 years to adjust for inflation. So to maintain the balance, funds are transferred from equity to debt every 5 years. This ensures that equity growth offsets inflation while debt supports regular income. The final transfer from equity to debt occurs at age 71, ensuring stability in later years. So this hybrid strategy offers you with regular income throughout retirement, inflation adjusted withdrawals increasing periodically to keep pace with your rising costs, and capital appreciation ensuring your money grows even as you withdraw. So by age 85, this strategy leaves you with a remaining corpus of 54 lakhs. Even after consistent inflation adjusted withdrawal, this is more than double the 25 lakh purchase price returned under the Reliance Nippon Life immediate annuity plan. In summary, this balanced investment approach not only provides you with better returns and flexibility, but also leaves behind a significant legacy, making it a compelling alternative to traditional annuity plans. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Reliance Nippon Life immediate annuity plan worth it or not? As the name suggests, this plan is designed to provide immediate and guaranteed income for life. It offers 3 annuity options, flexible payout frequencies, and a steady income stream, making it seemingly attractive for retirees seeking financial stability. However, a deeper look into its returns reveals some critical limitations. The returns are modest and the plan locks in your retirement corpus, restricting access to only the annuity payouts. This means you can't tap into your funds during emergencies or for other financial needs. Depending solely on this policy for post-retirement income may not be sufficient in the long run because it also has a high agent commission. And moreover, annuity plans generally don't offer inflation-adjusted income or flexibility in managing your corpus. So as mentioned earlier, a balanced strategy with a mix of growth-oriented equity and stable debt instrument not only offers you with higher returns but also greater control over your finances. This approach can be tailored to suit your financial goals, income needs, and risk tolerance.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.